Hi friends, today we will see how to register as an ordinary member in Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. Let's see the process. First, we will open the browser and search for IIBF, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. Search for it. You can see the site www.iibf.org.in. Go to the site, you will get a pop-up. Close this. There is an option called apply now, right? Click on this drop down. Here you can see the option membership. Click on this. You will see all the details. So FAQ, frequently asked question, how to apply, instructions to applicant, ID proof. You can go through all these steps, read the documents. I'll straight away show you how to register for ordinary member registration. Click on this ordinary member registration. This is the form you need to fill. So this form you need to enter carefully and corrections may not be possible. So while entering, please check the details before submit. So first name you need to select with salutation Mr. Miss, Mrs. Miss, Doctor, Professor. So based on your thing, you can select. Just I'm typing Sandesh MR, right? Please check that you have entered your name correctly. It is asking. So you can check it, then enter the address. Once address is entered, fill the address properly, enter the district, select the state, enter the PIN code. Then permanent address details. If it is same as office or residential address for communication, click here, it will be auto-filled. If it is different, untick this and enter the details. Select the date of birth, select the gender, then qualification. These all the fields are mandatory here. Then after qualification, if you select graduate, based on that, it will ask in what specialization you have done. If it is postgraduate, it will be different. So like this way, you need to select your qualification and select the drop down accordingly. Then bank and institution working. This is the thing that where you are working. So you need to select your bank name, NBFC, MFI, that name, the company name you need to select from the drop down list which is available. If your company name is not available in the list, means that your company is not a member of this institution. Select the branch or office, then what is your designation? Select, then enter your employee ID, enter date of joining, the where you joined in your company, the date of joining, enter your email ID, get OTP to validate it, then enter landline number and mobile number. Just click on this get OTP to validate. Enter Aadhaar number. All the details what you are entering, please check twice before submitting. Then for uploading a photograph, there is a guideline available. So you need to follow. Click and refer this. How the photo should be and what is the size, what is the width. You need to check it. Photo and signature. After the photograph upload, then upload your signature. ID proof. ID proof you can upload your company's ID card or you can upload below things. Aadhaar card or passport, PAN or driving license. Upload here. Then there is one more option. Newly introduced, you need to download the format declaration form. You need to fill it and get it signed by from your company. Okay. So fill the details, get it signed and that signed copy also you need to upload and size should be less than 20 MB. After all this, then you by default it is yes, then If any person with benchmark disability, you can mention yes, otherwise no. Accept it, enter the security code and click on preview and proceed for payment. Once this is done, it will show all the details what you have filled, confirm it and you can make a payment. The payment amount is 1770 rupees. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support.